FTC is about having fun while learning at the same time. However, anywhere from learning how to program the robot or properly fundraise for your team can be difficult. I'm Cayden with First Updates Now, and we've put together a list of some of the most important resources for FTC teams. Let's get into it.
This video on First Updates Now is made possible by viewers like you and also the following sponsors. At Cayden University, over 30% of the student population was in high school robotics. These same students have received a portion of over $7 million in scholarships. Scholarship applications for FIRST students are now available. Get more information at cayden.edu/first. SOLIDWORKS is free for FIRST teams. Over 80% of U.S. engineering schools and 370,000 plus companies use SOLIDWORKS to design great products. SOLIDWORKS can help you design a great robot on desktop or on the cloud. Go to solidworks.com/first to register your team.
One of the best resources for rookie teams is Game Manual Zero. Written by teams for teams, this website has all of the crucial information required to get a beginner FTC team up and running with building and programming the robot. The topics that the website goes over are FTC lingo, design skills, hardware components, custom manufacturing, common mechanisms, electronics and motion components, software, awards, and other useful resources. While Game Manual Zero is great for the robot side of FTC, it doesn't provide too much information when it comes to doing outreach and fundraising. So, the next resource that we have on the list is FTC Docs. Contrary to Game Manual Zero, this resource focuses on fundraising, documentation, and outreach. The fundraising toolkit and outreach/marketing tabs are great resources for teams looking to improve their Inspire game. Outreach and documentation are important aspects to the Inspire Award. As the Inspire Award is higher on the order of advancements than winning via robot, it is extremely important for a team to focus on doing well in the Inspire category. Additionally, FTC Docs has resources to help mentors run a team properly. The next resource on the list helps teams with scouting and FTC. Scouting is crucial as it allows you to gauge your performance or strategy on the field depending on the alliance you're going against and the team that you're partnered with. Some of the best resources for scouting and FTC are the Orange Alliance, FTC Scout, and FTC Event Web. Each of these websites provide information on various events, the teams competing in the events, and how well they do in the matches. Additionally, another website called FTC Stats allows you to see your team's ranking within your state and worldwide. This ranking is based on OPR. This is useful for teams as it allows them to see how well they're doing relative to the other teams that are within their state. The next resource on the list is the FTC Discord. If you don't already know what Discord is, it's a platform that allows people to communicate via text chat and voice/video calls. The FTC Discord server is extremely active and has around 15,000 members who are either mentors, alumni, or students who are currently on an FTC team. Within this server, you'll be able to ask any question that your heart desires and have it answered by one of the members. The server is great for connecting with other teams who are not in your local region. Additionally, you'll be able to see what other teams are up to with the Robot Showcase channel, where teams share clips of their robot. The final resource on the list is the FTC Q&A Forum. The Q&A Forum allows teams to ask questions regarding rules within Game Manual 1 and 2 to the Game Design Committee for FTC. Rules are subject to clarification or change, so it is important to make sure that you keep up with the various questions and answers on the Q&A Forum. That wraps up our list of important resources for FTC teams to use. Let us know in the comments if you have any other resources that would be helpful for new teams. Thanks for watching. I'm Cayden, and we'll see you next time on Fun FTC.
This video on First Updates Now is made possible by viewers like you and also the following sponsors. SOLIDWORKS is free for FIRST teams. Over 80% of U.S. engineering schools and 370,000 plus companies use SOLIDWORKS to design great products. SOLIDWORKS can help you design a great robot on desktop or on the cloud. Go to solidworks.com/first to register your team. At Cayden University, over 30% of the student population was in high school robotics. These same students have received a portion of over $7 million in scholarships. Scholarship applications for FIRST students are now available. Get more information at cayden.edu/first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.